Document sets. Today we're going to talk about document sets into SharePoint 2010. I wanted to show you how to create a document set in SharePoint and use the document set to as a way to collaborate with your team, with a group of documents, as well as add a notes to the document. So to create that, you would first create a document library. So you go in, you create a document library, you select the document library template, and let's say we create a document set called financial documents. So once you get this document library created, what you want to do is go into library, library settings, and then in library settings, look for the option advanced settings. In advanced settings, you want to make sure that you have your management of content types set to yes, and then you say okay. At this point, that's all you need. So then you go into content types and you add a new content type. And you want to click on that. You want to select document set. You add the document set. Okay. You can also to change the order on which option is available first to your team members. So let's say we make the document set as the first available option. Okay. Once you're done with that, you're able to go back to your document library, which has been created for you. Go into the documents option and then create a new document. And what you'll see here is now you have an option to create a document set. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on, I'm just going to create a, let's say, company tax documents. And I'll create this, a new document set. To store tax documents. Once you create that, you now have right here a document set that you're now able to add multiple documents into. So you would go back into your document, click on new document. You now have the option to create a new document or upload a document from your existing library. So I'm going to upload a document, browse, I'll pick up a sample document here, just set it here. Now I can give this a document Q1 2010. And I can add another document if I need to. I'm going to show you one more. So save that. So you're now able to create it. Now let's say you wanted to create a little more functionality around this. Pretty simple to do. What you could do is there is a browse function here. If you have the right properties, you know, the right permissions, you should be able to go into site actions and edit the page. And once you edit the page, you should be able to, you get with this particular layout right here, you're able to, you know, you can change the image here if you want that's more specific to your document set. So, you know, I'm going to just show you something where I'll just change the background color to orange, I guess. And then, and, you know, when I say apply, that becomes the background color. So I'm also able to now I have my document set right here. I have the title, I have the description that we provided for this. Now if I wanted to add a note noteboard as well, let's say I'm going to add a new web part right under here. I'm going to select the social collaboration category, create the notebook webpack, and then I'm going to create the zone that I need this in, zone 4, right? Zone 4 right here, and then I click on add. And now we have the pad and the noteboard, and people are able to come in and post information. You were actually able to do quite a bit more on this, but for the sake of this presentation, I guess we've achieved what we set out to do. And that's it. And then you just go back to a page, you stop editing, and now this becomes your document set. So once you go into this document set, you should be able to see everything within that document set, and now you're able to create notes around this document set. And people are able to come in, they're able to reply, they're able to add more comments, and this becomes you track changes right here.